Scope out the fishbowl from a satellite with no signal. Drifting orbit, comet spotted midday. Ghost tectonic flew right by my face. Sky opened up from every point in space above. Parallel paths we take, lost in forgotten lands of calcified pineal gland. Till lightning left its bottle, structures rearranged, lattice falling, floating away like a coral reef species swept into the deep sea. Permanently, constellation blue. Can you see it too? Ripples in the sand, mountains on the moon, on the new lagoon where storms brew. Synchronicity, symmetrical anomaly, previously thought impossible, obscured outside the obstacles as individualities, inevitable eventuality. Finally found clarity, Buddha under a tree. Bong Das, they should name a strain after me. Keep it in the pottery, from evolutionary lottery to alien singularity. Long lost forest shrine, something watching from the tree line. Eclipse ignites, sixth sense, new sight. Whole life wasting time, cleverly disguised, peeking through the blinds. A billion stars outside, last to find I was here the whole time. Been gone for a while, I apologize. Under thunder, a mile away. Last resort, whatever it takes. Soundtrack would remain the same on Mars for the day. Figured I'd say thanks, pictured outside the frame, forever changed. Trying my best, finding my way. Tomorrow's light, whole life a blink away. Space warps, we're just walking in place. Taking my turn in solar waves. Overcast, overlay, chisel out of the cave. Shores will wait, cliffside, paper nautilus sailing away. Slow fall drapes of rain, overhang only over your location. Forecast foretold through a game of telephone. Can't hear what you're saying, leave a message at the tone. Celestial zoom, industrial throne, a home held city of bones. Purple desert, circle of crows, heart-shaped engine, immortality flows. Question is what is told, decision is half of what is owed. The rest can't be owned. Visions of beyond the pond, outlawed, premonitions absorbed, information displaced. Map graph of everything, scaled by distinction. An outlier visited by those who use the system.